Hey guys, how's it going? OSCO here, back with another video. So today I'm just going to be going over different effects that you can put behind your music, just to create a little bit of interest and sort of fit in with the whole like deep dubstep thing, like incorporating dub elements. And rather than like scouring around for samples, they're so easy to make. I'm just going to break down a few different versions for you here, and like how you can make them a bit more interesting than just throwing in little echoes and stuff. So I've got a drum loop here. And then with the effects, so all I've done with these to make little lasers and stuff is simply just a sine wave, pitch envelope, throwing an echo on it. Like, I brought down the filter a little bit, but point is, you can, rather than just finding samples online, you can tune it to your track by doing this. So whatever the root note of your track is, say it's F, you can go in here. You can make it fit wherever you want, play fifths or thirds to create a little bit of, dissonance, or play with the harmonics in your track. So say your bass is playing an F, you can play a fifth above that with the lasers and effects and create some cool textures that fit musically with it. So this one's just a simple ping pong delay on fourth notes, and I haven't got any modulation going on here, and I've upped the reverb on the echo. And then for this one, just a little 16th one with a bit of modulation in the filter. So I've just pulled the bands in, changed in the modulation section, put the phase from 90% to 180, so it's totally opposite, and then put the mod up over 50%, and that just creates that wobbling sound in the decay of the delay. And for this sound, the longer it's held down, like, it rises. So what I've done here with the pitch envelope is a similar thing, just a sine wave, but I've just added a second of attack on a so let's say it's plus 24 now. Common sound. And this one is a really fast pitch envelope going up 48 semitones with a really fast echo on it, and that's just creating just a different texture, different sound. They're all interesting dub elements that you can listen to. Well, yeah, from the likes of Tubby to the even the guys at Dubchasm and stuff, like, they're making some heavy dub tracks, and they use these effects in quite a lot of their stuff. But Tubby's probably the guy who pioneered this sound. And for this effect here, what I've done to create something new, rather than just having like a bunch of hits, this is like more of a transitional effect. So you just take a delayed signal. So in this case, I've just taken this sound here, sorry, that's quite loud, and then I bounced it out into another track, and so it's just a recording. So this is the full recording. I shaved off the end of it because it was really loud, and then hit the reverse key on it. So that looks like this, and then just hit R, and it will reverse it, shave off the initial bit, put fades on either side, put a bit of reverb on it so it sounds like it's not such a harsh end to it, And yeah, you can layer all these sounds in over your tracks, over your drum beats, just to create a little bit of difference. So like, say if you're moving from like 8 bars or 16 bars, you can go on and change up these effects for, instead of sine waves, maybe use triangles or squares, and maybe add a couple of different oscillators in there and play about with it and get creative, because these are the sort of things that you can throw into your tracks, and it can really define your sound if you're really creative with it. So it's one thing that everyone, you know, is using 808s and stuff at the minute, but then like, let's say you come out with like a signature effect, like was it Komodo's whole, you know, his producer tags of a laser, that laser gun. Like, he probably made it doing something similar like this, so you can come up with your own signature sounds and layer them in with your tracks. And it's these little things that people will recognize your sound for. So if you come up with creating your own little blips and bloops and your own transitional effects and things that really make you stand out, that's something that people are going to remember instantly. Like, they don't even need to check the track title. They'll be out at a gig and then they'll just hear that sound and then instantly identify it with you. So that's just some food for thought. Anyways, I hope this video is a short one, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be back with a full-length sound design video tomorrow. Maybe a track breakdown, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, have a good one, guys. Peace.